I keep threatening to do this. I've now got the time because I'm off this week. I'm guessing, like, I don't know, like, there's lots of UK ones. How many's that got? Biscuits of all time. I feel like Ultimate British Biscuits one's probably the best. Should we do that one? Wait, is there a live voting poll? Can we do this? Like, how does that work? Oh, you have to log in. Okay, I won't bother doing that for now then. I'll do that next time. Okay, that's probably about right. You change the names of them now. We don't need to change the names, do we, of the tiers? You can't eat bickies, Addy. Oh man, that sucks. Can I just say rich tier is shit tier? Oh. Okay, this is going to cause arguments, isn't it? Now, let me change this to just chatting for a minute. So people don't get angry when they don't see tits on the screen. Apart from this tit. Right, Crinkle Crunch Ginger. This is not a good start. Crinkle Crunch Ginger. I don't remember these. I don't think I've ever had one of these. Apart from, are they just ginger flavoured, or are they, like, sweet as well? Oh, good quality image, Fab Finds. Christ. Just says ginger flavour. Okay. I guess they're kind of like ginger nuts, lol. Ginger nuts? I think ginger biscuits are, like, alright. I'm gonna put this bang in the middle. We're gonna go C for that. Okay, right. My nuts aren't ginger. We've got milk chocolate fingers. Now, whatever happens, white chocolate fingers go underneath milk chocolate fingers. I don't make the rules. I don't think they're an S+. But I think they might be an S. Yeah, I'm going to say S. S for fingers. A for white chocolate fingers. They're pretty good, man. They're pretty damn good. They're very Moorish. The thing you'll find, Addy, is unfortunately, like, most of the stuff is probably going to be S and S tier for me. S+ and S tier. Digestives. What do we feel about digestives? As a non-hot drinker, these probably aren't the greatest. I'm sorry, Pingu. Yeah, this is not very friendly to non-native UKians. This is just plain digestives. I'm probably gonna say D. Like, they're good, and if I was in a pinch, I would definitely have them. But it's like, yeah, I feel like they're like a tea or a coffee biscuit, aren't they? Is that controversial? Would you say D? Is that fair? Addy agrees, D. Okay, we got We got shortbreads. I think this is just shortbread in general. We can probably go through. So shortbread. Mole's saying A, Addy saying B. Shortbread for me is fucking S+ tier. They are... I could like smash a whole box full of shortbreads easy, and I would want more. Addy, chocolate chip shortbread is like, that's like SSSSSS tier. Is this even a democracy? No, it's not. This is my tier list. Fuck you. Right, Jammy Dodgers. What do you reckon? Jammy Dodgers? I think Jammy Dodgers are pretty fucking high, you know. It's not S+. I will say that. You know, like Lay's crisps. This is not crisps, Pingu. I don't know if I don't know what to tell you. This is definitely not a crisps tier list. I'm all saying D. Fucking hell. Jammy Dodger, great insult, shit biscuit. Ah, you see that? Yeah, no, we're not agreeing here. I'm gonna say A. A for a Jammy Dodger. Jam and cream, what's that? Apart from sounding a bit rude. Oh, these things. I don't remember. I feel like I have had these, but like maybe not for about 20 years. I can't remember if this was like shortbreads. I think to be safe, I'm going to put it in C, because I'm not sure. They're good if you want to look posh. Here we go. Now we're going to get into the controversy. Club Orange. How does everyone feel about orange chocolate? So the problem is, I don't think I've ever had a Club Orange, but orange chocolate is one of those things where I hate most of it, and then the stuff that's really good is like incredible. Like Terry's chocolate orange is brilliant, but also orange and a biscuit I'm not sure about. So to put it on the safer side, I'm going to go Club Orange is E. I'm saving F for something very specific, which is probably going to come up. Yeah, it is going to come up very soon. Pink wafers. I think they're underrated. Like, everyone fucking hates these. I think they're underrated. I agree with Mole. I think they're good. I think they're B. Not pink waifus, no. I mean, that's a bit harsh, Addy, I'd say, but they kind of make your tongue feel weird. I feel like I'm like, when I'm eating them, I'm not like really gaining anything. It's like I'm just eating air, but they're nice. Red, in this day and age, do you realise this is probably like 150 quid's worth of biscuits? Also, I would get immediate diabetes. Ice gems. It's another party one, isn't it? Anything is content. Ah, look. But yeah, what would be the title of the video? How I got diabetes in 2 easy steps. Ice gems are D. I guess the barometer for this was when we used to have them as kids, you'd bite the iced bit off, like the gem part, and leave the biscuit. Wait, Addy, explain that. Ultimate trading card come dinner. What? Explain that. Biscuit part is basically just a digestive. It wasn't even really a digestive. It was just a kind of a shit biscuit, wasn't it? Yeah, that'd be it, Reds. Yeah, I think that's more accurate. Ice gems. You can trade your ice gems for other treats at school with your lunchtime peers. Oh, okay, I see what you mean. I'm not going to say they're D. I think they're C for me. C grade. C tier. Is this... I'm just looking at this. Is this just... This is just normal penguins. Okay. Alright, penguin. I'm just gonna pull the plaster off here. Penguin is S tier. Is it? I don't. Is it mint penguins? Because there's no normal penguin, is there? So I'm just assuming that's penguin. Oh no, there is. There is normal penguin. Shit. Well, this is very different. Because mint anything is fucking F tier. So club, get in the bin as well. Mint chocolate, get in the fucking C. It's so shit. Get in the fucking C. It's not up for debate here. See, even like mint sweets, Red, I'm not a huge fan of. Spearmint stuff is better. But no, mint chocolate, no, it's not for me. Right, custard creams. This might upset people. Custard creams are fucking S plus tier. They are so good because even the shit ones are amazing. Like you could buy a pack of custard creams from like the shittiest, like most, like I don't know, the shittest store ever. It'd be like a brand you've never heard of, and they're amazing. They're still amazing, and they're like the cheapest ever, as well. So yeah, custard creams S plus, no discussion. Fox's Classics Original. Fox's Classic. Is it Classic Bar? Yeah. Oh yeah, I remember these. Oh shit, yeah, these are really good. Yeah, fuck mint. Which ones, Reds? Custard creams. Or these ones. So Fox's Classic Biscuits. Custard creams. They don't have a strong aftertaste, no. No, I wouldn't say so. If you haven't had them, I would highly recommend. Bearing in mind, I haven't had one of these for a long time. Fox's Classic is S tier, I'd say. Now, is that Garibaldi's? I've never, you know what? I've never had a Garibaldi. I don't know how I've avoided Garibaldi's, but I've never had a Garibaldi. Is it raisin in it? Dead fly biscuits. Yeah, is it raisins? It's raisins. Okay, that makes it easy. It's fucking E tier. Not as bad as, like, F is basically... Hang on. There you go. Fucking mint tier. Is there any other mint stuff in here? Oh, mint Viscount. That's fucking even worse. That's like below mint tier. I think that's all the mint. Penguin orange. Let's just get all the get all the orange and mint shit out of the way. I think that's it, isn't it? Yeah, okay. I think that's it. Get mad. Okay, BNs. Does everyone remember the advert from back in the day? Now these, I remember these being fucking amazing at the time. But I'm sure I've had them recently and I think they're really disappointing. Like they taste pretty artificial. So I'm going to say C. C tier. Wait, what's that? What is that, BN? BN phrase? What? What flavour is that? Oh, is that strawberry BN? Oh man, if the fucking normal ones taste artificial, that is going to be next level artificial. The biscuit is smiling, but it's not very satisfying. I mean, it was alright. It's fine. I'd have it. But here we go. This is probably the highest tier, or most well-known biscuit here. Kit Kat. What are we thinking? This is very deep. This is deep discussion. Kit Kat S+, okay. I've never seen a strawberry BN over here, to be fair. I don't know if that's like just... That's like snuck onto the list somehow. S++++. I'd say A. Red, are you from the US? You're EU, okay. I was gonna say because I think Kit Kats taste like really different in the US. Like really different. Okay, I'll tell you what. So, I don't know if you'll agree here. Does anyone have a preference on like a cold Kit Kat versus a warm Kit Kat? Like, I feel like Kit Kats are better when they're cold. Like if they've been in the fridge for like an hour or two. I'm all saying room temperature. Yeah, I feel like it changes the taste of it, I feel. Okay, yeah, I think it has to go in S+, doesn't it? The only thing about Kit Kats is that I swear they used to taste better than they do now. Printing press, well, what do you think it is, I guess is the question. Yeah, Kit Kats used to taste better. I swear they used to taste better. But I don't know if that was because, like, just being young. I think it was probably just because they had E numbers in them. Greatest tier list template ever. UK chocolate biscuits. That's what we're rating. I mean, like, surely, like, if we're doing Kit Kat, surely Kit Kat Chunky's the same, right? Or is it? The answer is yes, it is. It's in the same tier. Yeah, go on, Crow. No, like, warm Kit Kat's still good, Reds. I'm not gonna not eat a warm Kit Kat, but it's just that cold Kit Kats are better. Chocolate Leibniz. Here you go, Pingu. You can join in now if you're still here. I assume these are German. That sounds German. What do I think of peanut butter Kit Kat Chunkies? They're good, but the peanut butter is not the highest quality. But I'd probably still, they'd still S tier. I'd S tier them. Okay, right. So, chocolate Leibniz. I'm gonna have to disagree. I think that to be fair, I haven't had the white chocolate one, so I can't say. But I'd say the milk chocolate ones are A. So just for the benefit of, like, I haven't had them before, I'm going to put white chocolate in A as well. I've not had those ones, but I'm sure they're pretty good. You know what? I know this is going to make people so angry. Yeah, I mean, I could probably, like, smash a whole box of those in one go, but I'm very aware of the fact that I can't just eat a whole packet of biscuits and then not suffer the consequences. Peanut butter ruins all biscuits. Oh no, I don't agree with that, Crow. Absolutely not. Right, normal hobnobs. I think you have to put them next to digestive. Like, they're really good, but they're a bit bland, aren't they? I legit need to go for a walk. What, have I pissed you off so much, Addy? Yeah, no, there's the consequences are I can't burn off a packet of biscuits like I used to. Back when I was in my, like, teens or my 20s, I could just eat the whole packet and be fine. There'd be no consequences. But now there is belly. Penguin, guys. Penguin. Penguin's another one of those ones that I feel like tasted better back in the day. No. Stupid belly. See, I fucking love a penguin. I think penguin is S. That's going in S. I'm now, like, debating whether I should change... I'm going to change fingers. Fingers are going down a tier. I'm re-evaluating. But they got such good jokes as well. Printing press. Right, this one's going to be interesting. Malted milks. I want to get other people's opinions on this first. Malted milks, what do you reckon? Mol is saying B, okay. The thing is, like, pretty much anything above, like, D or above, I would eat. Yeah, see, I'm actually going to go with, Addy here. You reckon it got a cream cheese tasting, really? Oh, I didn't get that from when I had them. Malted milk for me is D. This is the Play School biscuit. Now, I remember loving these at Play School, but I think it was because I was a dumb child and didn't know any better. I had one in like recent years. Didn't rate it at all. Didn't think it was very good. Prince chocolate, what is that? Oh, I vaguely remember these. I mean, it looks like a BN. Now I'm a dumb adult that doesn't know any better. Are we gonna beef over chocolate biscuit tier? Prince S tier holiday biscuit. Tell me, are they better than a BN? That's all I need to know. Okay, so it goes B then. I can't see it being better than an A. Oh, Printing Press, sorry, the alerts.
Oh no.
There you go. Thank you for the follow, Printing Press. I appreciate it. It's funny, I get no follows during like playing games. It's all for this kind of shit. We did a cartoon tier list, like opening tier list. Like a good few years back, and I got fucking shitloads of follows from that one. It's funny, isn't it? Right, okay, here we go. Milk chocolate hobnobs. This is the easiest S plus ever. Ultimate biscuit. Thank you, Pingu, for the hydrate. Yeah, if I could put it at a higher tier, I would. I probably could, but... I know you can add another tier, but just to keep it simple, we'll keep it there. Can you actually? Can you do it? There you go. Can you change the colour? It's going to be blue like hobnobs. Yeah, I get it, Printing Press. I think that's half the fun though, isn't it? It's like getting a little bit of outrage for something that doesn't really matter. So, chocolate hobnobs, like milk chocolate hobnobs, I should clarify, are one of those biscuits that I could just eat the whole fucking pack. Like easy. You could just chain eat them. Just like don't even stop. They are ultimate. Strawberry BNs, I'm going to put them in E. I can't imagine they're good. They have to be shit, surely. Like, strawberry chocolate is very hit or miss. So they're going in fucking E. Oh yeah, like, don't get me wrong. I would eat a whole box of white chocolate fingers, easy, but I just prefer these. Breakaway, underrated, very underrated. I'm going to give Breakaway an A. I think they're slept on. Ice gems are way too high. They're okay. They taste like ass, though. Wait, what? Breakaways? No, they don't. Shut up, it's my list. I do what I want. Tunnock's caramel wafer biscuits. Now, me and my friend John have a... like, John used to just come into work and he'd just bring in a pack of these and share these. Pretty impressed. It's fucking mint tier. Mint tier is dog shit. They all go in the tier of mint tier. He's going to take his follow back, isn't he? Breakaway is like a poor man's club. I mean, is there even normal clubs on here? There isn't, so it's a moot point. God. Oh, no. I knew this was going to happen. I knew there were people going to get mad. Okay, so... Tunnock's biscuits. Yeah, me and my friend have got kind of like a... He always used to bring these in for me, and I do have a soft spot for them, but I can't put them at a very high tier. I think they're B. I'll eat them, and I'll be happy, but I'd be wishing for something else, probably. I hate mint chocolate so much, you don't understand. Right, Maryland cookies. Kind of boring. Serviceable. They're good. They don't... yeah, they're good. I'll put them at B. They are tiny, yeah. I kind of want... that. I mean, they're going to be, aren't they? You're not going to get a whole, like, fucking bag full of full-size cookies, are you? That's the thing, mint chocolate is very hit or miss for people, isn't it? It's mostly hit for most people. I am not one of those people. I hate mint chocolate. Bourbons, easy. That's S+. That's the same as custard creams. You can buy them from anywhere. It doesn't matter where it's from. It could be the shittest. It could be like 20p Bourbons, and they are incredible. Nice biscuits. Where do we put nice biscuits? I feel like this is a difficult one. You're saying A. I don't think it's that high. I know it's not got a lot in here. But I don't really like coconut. Oh shit, Mr. Kipling's in there as well. That I might not actually be able to give you a good answer on, because I don't know if I've had one of those. Easy. No, it's not that high for me. Yeah, I'm not a massive... thing is, it's not a lot of coconut, so it's acceptable. It's not like a Bounty. Bounties are the... Bounty would have its own fucking tier in this. I'm going to put it on D. I don't drink hot drinks, Addy. So that you've got to take that into consideration with these. I don't drink hot drinks, so I don't dip them. Right. You thought you were going to get mad about mint clubs. Jaffa Cake is E tier. Someone's flipping their desk as we speak. To be fair, I dislike them that much that they could go in mint tier. Actually, yeah, fuck it. If I can fucking type the right thing, that'd be good. Yeah, don't like Jaffa Cakes. Never liked Jaffa Cakes. Sorry. I've actually never had a fig roll either, but they don't look like my jam. I've got a friend who loves fig rolls. What's actually in a fig roll? Oh, it's fig. Yeah. What does fig taste like, guys? Is it like raisin? Because they look kind of gross. Figgies make you poo. Oh. I mean, that doesn't really matter, but yeah, they like. What is it like? Is it like raisin? Is it like? Just to be safe, they're going in E tier, because I'm not sure. We got Prince, another Prince one. What's Prince original? What? Yeah, what's the original flavour? Is it? It's not strawberry again, is it? Well, we've already had the chocolate ones. So what's the original one? Because if it's strawberry, it has to go on a lower tier. I guess to be safe, we'll just chuck it on the same tier. Maryland soft baked. You know what? I don't think I've had one of these either. What flavour is it? Double chocolate. It's these ones. Yeah, they got Prince on there twice then. If they're both chocolate, I don't know why. Soft cookies aren't good. That's wrong. Mol. Both types are good. Soft baked. I haven't had those, but they look good. I'm gonna put it in A. I reckon that's better than a normal Maryland, but it shouldn't go higher than that, I don't think. Okay, is this caramel digestives? Yeah, has anyone had these? Yeah, it's those ones, isn't it? Yeah, so you got to have a full biscuit cupboard. Actually, I would agree with that. Why is the caramel hard? It's not, is it? I've had one of these and the caramel was not hard. But yeah, it's still not very high for me. I think I'm going to put them in C. Caramel is very hit or miss for me. More often than not, it's miss, and I don't know if I like it in biscuits. It's not mint here. It's not that low. They're good, but they're not. They're better than a normal digestive, but they're not that much better. Now, dark chocolate digestive. Is fucking S+. I literally have a packet right here. Love a dark chocolate digestive. Absolutely up there. And it's better than a milk chocolate digestive. But a milk chocolate hobnob is better than a dark chocolate hobnob. We do have very different opinions, Pretty Press, yeah. Ginger nut biscuits. Oh, Mole's got some biscuits. Yeah, it's the McVitie's ones, isn't it? See, they're all right. I think I'm gonna have to put them in the same as these ones. It's a C. They're good. I wouldn't go out of my way to get them, but if they were there, I wouldn't be unhappy. Is that fair? Now, rich teas. Bearing in mind, rich teas are, well, the clue's in the name. They're fucking tea, aren't they? I don't drink tea. So, they're probably not as good. Saying that, I think rich teas are nice, but they're too plain. So they're not D, but they're C. Chocolate rich teas. That's a whole different question. Oh, look, I literally just said it. Milk chocolate digestives. That goes in S. Not as good as dark chocolate, but really fucking good. Viennese fingers. Chocolate rich teas, yeah. Unless they've stopped them. Chocolate rich teas. Yeah. Oh, they've got like a... Is that like a... Oh, you got like the actual biscuits of cocoa one. But yeah, they do like actual rich tea chocolate. I can still enjoy the snack, Addy. Don't tell me to eat stuff. Viennese fingers A. I am inclined to agree with that. I think that's an A. That's another one that you can just accidentally eat the whole packet, isn't it? Right, party rings. Yeah, they don't put a lot in a packet, do they? Yeah, B. I'd say B. I think party rings have got a really nice aftertaste to them. And they're definitely, like, as far as like party food goes, like ice gems, they're better than ice gems. So I think B's a I think that's a reasonable place to put them. I used to like licking the icing off of them when I was a kid. Right, so which ones are these? Viennese whirls. Oh god, how do you spell Viennese? Viennese whirls. Mr. Kipling. Okay. So the problem is, printing press, I don't know if I've had one. But I must have had one at some point. Surely I've had one. It's shortbread, though. They're hobnobbed here, you have to trust me. Very good, Mole. Please don't be offended. I'm going to be safe. I'm going to be safe, and I'm going to put them in S. I need to actually investigate. But that would probably... I could see that being an S plus tier. Because they do look nice. And S tier is getting a bit like lonely. There's less things in them. I'll have to have some of those. They do look good. What's that? A crinkle crunch. I don't think I've ever seen one of these before. Like, what kind of flavour are we talking? Is it just a biscuit? It's got sugar. Hey, most of it's got fucking sugar, hasn't it? Has anyone had them? Yeah, I don't. Oh, so it's quite. Even though it says crunch, it's quite soft. Are they just nice sugary biscuits? Is that it? Tastes a bit like a butter crunch. What do you reckon? B? That sounds like a B to me. Does that sound fair? Okay. It's a high B, low A. Okay. I think B's fine then. We'll leave it at B. I'll have to actually have a go on one of those. Blue Rye Band. Now, this was the chocolate that I would get at school, and I'd be fucking mad that I got them because they tasted like shit back in the day. But actually, nowadays, they're much better. You had a Blue Rye Band earlier, it's mid. See, I'm inclined to agree. I reckon it's like a B. It's alright. But like back in the day, I swear they were probably on their own fucking tier as well. They were terrible. Twix is shit. Disagree. Where do I put it though? Twix is S. Twixes are great. Twix ain't shit, but it's a D. That's shit, Crow. Yeah, I like a Twix. I think they're underrated. They got a nice aftertaste to them. What are these different flavours of Wagon Wheels, by the way? So red is just jam. And then red is just marshmallow. See what I mean? Like, it's such a big difference between people in the chat here. Blue is jam, red is just plain, right? I'm really sorry. I don't feel like they're very good. They're too artificial. Like, really artificial. That's all I can say about them, really. I remember there was one guy at school, like primary school, that used to get them all the time. And I don't know if they were like knockoff Wagon Wheels or something, but they tasted even worse than what I remember Wagon Wheels to taste like. This tier list has officially put Tomo on a watch list. Do you not agree with any of this? Well, there you go. That's it. That's my tier list. The bottom, yeah. What? The mint? I'm mental. I don't. Yeah, just like, I don't know. Wagon Wheels. Yeah. It would actually be interesting to kind of like just eat these like at the time and then like actually rate them based on testing them live. But that's a very expensive stream. Wait, all the rest of them need to be an S at least. And you can't put everything in S. You've got to be a bit more like, you know. Ice gems are way too high. I think that's fine for ice gems. Like nowadays, I think they've got. I haven't had one for a long time, but they got a nice crunch to them. I like the crunch. Oh, all mint needs to be an S. Yeah, no, I'm never gonna agree to that. Unfortunately. So there you go. That's my list. Try not to be too angry.